Welcome to Gadget, your ultimate destination for the latest tech reviews and recommendations. In today's exciting episode, we're counting down the top 5 best mini drones of 2023. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or a newbie looking to explore the skies, these mini marvels are sure to leave you in awe. So, buckle up and get ready to witness the most compact and cutting-edge flying machines out there. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the incredible gadgets we'll be showcasing. Let's soar into the world of mini drones together. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 DJI RC, the ultimate lightweight aerial companion for unforgettable adventures. Weighing under 249 g, it's perfect for hikes, road trips, and beach days. Enjoy an extended battery life of up to 38 minutes, ensuring you never miss a moment, even on long flights. Capture breathtaking 4K HDR videos and stunning imagery with precise details day or night. Effortlessly capture tall landmarks with true vertical shooting and share your aerial masterpieces on Instagram or TikTok with the perfect orientation. Unleash your creativity with QuickShots, offering dynamic flight patterns and panoramas for epic shots at your fingertips. With resistance to 38 km/h winds, level 5, Mini 3 guarantees steady flights in challenging conditions. The DJI RC includes the DJI Fly App pre-installed and a 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing in direct sunlight. Extend flight time up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately in select countries. Elevate your aerial photography with DJI Mini 3. Number 2. The RADCLO mini drone is a remarkable gadget that captures breathtaking moments from a bird's eye view with its 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. Through the RADCLO app, users can enjoy real-time panoramic views and share stunning 1080p HD pictures and videos effortlessly on social media. Designed for ease of use, the drone features a stable altitude hold function, ensuring easy control and high-quality footage. With a more powerful engine and stable hover technology, it stands out from its counterparts. The package includes a carrying case, 2 PCS 800 mAh batteries, controller batteries, propeller guard, and spare fan blades, making it ideal for outdoor travel and a perfect gift choice. This feature-rich drone offers multiple functions such as high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, 3D flip, low battery warning, and emergency stop. Its versatility caters to both beginners and skilled players alike. Furthermore, the RADCLO mini drone comes with reliable after-sales support, offering 24 hours technical assistance, quality warranty, and a money-back service to ensure customer satisfaction. Number 3. SYMA X20 mini drone, the latest upgrade with multiple features for an exciting flying experience. With its 6-axis Euro quad-rotorcraft flight, it performs various flight movements with ease, making it perfect for kids and beginners. Ideal for indoor play, this mini drone ensures stability and control. Headless mode simplifies flight, allowing the drone to continue flying even when its direction is unclear, making directional control a breeze for beginners. One-key takeoff/landing enables effortless launching and landing, protecting the drone in case of low battery or loss of control. The altitude hold feature automatically stabilizes and suspends the drone midair when you release the controls. Enjoy impressive aerial stunts with the 360-degree stunt flip and mesmerizing night flights with colorful flashing lights. SYMA X20 mini drone promises endless fun and easy maneuverability for all skill levels. Number 4. The Holy Stone HS-190 is an impressive mini quadcopter that offers a range of convenient features. The drone comes equipped with an altitude hold function, which utilizes air pressure to maintain a steady hover at its current height when the throttle stick is released. This makes it ideal for capturing stable aerial footage and provides ease of control. Designed with portability in mind, The HS-190 is foldable and can be neatly stowed within the controller. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry around, perfect for on-the-go adventures. For beginners and experienced pilots alike, the drone includes one-key takeoff and landing, ensuring effortless maneuvering. The headless mode and one-key return features simplify operation, enabling users of all skill levels to fly the drone with ease. Adding to the excitement, the HS-190 boasts a high-speed rotation function, allowing the drone to perform thrilling 360-degree circles and fly at high speeds, delivering a unique and exhilarating flying experience. Number 5. The LANSAND 2-Pack Mini, the latest innovation in mini drones. This versatile gadget serves as both a mini drone and a high-speed toy racing car on smooth surfaces, offering an unmatched performance experience. Its body is crafted from durable PVC material, ensuring it can withstand impact speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Safety is a priority with full propeller guards made from nylon ABS plastic to protect users, furniture, and pets. The altitude hold function makes it easy for kids and beginners to fly with stability. The drone boasts a cool racing car design and captivating LED lights, adding a sense of mystery and technology during flight. With 3 speed modes, race car mode, and 3D flips, the LANSAND 2-Pack Mini guarantees endless fun for both kids and adults. The package includes 4 batteries for extended playtime of 32 minutes, while the 2.4 GHz remote enables multiple players to race simultaneously, making it a fantastic gift for family, friends, and business partners. A few tips: read the instructions before flying, check for obstructions in land mode, and avoid turning on multiple drones simultaneously. Regular calibration ensures a balanced flight, and the trimmer functions help maintain stability during drifts. Get ready to experience the joy of flying and racing with LANSAND 2-Pack Mini. If you liked the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.